beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious purple rice. Yes, you heard correctly, purple rice. My kitchen is international and I want to share with you this delicious and amazing purple rice so you make it at home and enjoy it with your family. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients: white rice, black rice, butter, unsalted butter, salt to taste, and water. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing purple rice at home. No need to go out. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. So let's get started. I want to start by showing you the black rice. Look, this is the black rice. Many years ago, this rice was forbidden for regular people to consume. In China, they would only give it to the royalties. And now we are blessed that now we can enjoy this delicious black rice. The texture is totally different, like the white rice. The texture is different. The taste is amazing. And of course, it turns the white rice into purple. It has a lot of vitamins, a lot of antioxidants. You guys need to consume this black rice. Well, now I have all my black rice here. I'm going to put it aside and I am ready to start mixing and combining the white rice with the black rice. I am going to add the white rice here and I'm adding the black rice. And now I want to stir it up, making sure that they combine together. And look at this. These colors look amazing. The white, the black, the little specks. Look at this. It looks amazing and it's gonna taste delicious. You just have to make sure that everything is really combined before you start cooking it. There is no need to soak it, no need to leave it overnight or over 24 hours. You could cook it just the way I'm going to show you, and it comes out perfect every time. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. I have the salt. Remember, the salt is to taste. 2 tablespoons of butter. And what I like to do is just cut the butter in 4 pieces, each piece, so that it coats the bottom of the pan and the rice don't stick to the bottom or even burns on the bottom. Just cut it in 4 pieces just like this. And now I am ready to put it back in this little plate, and I am preheating my pan. It looks amazing. I am sure that once you guys try it, you guys are going to fall in love with this delicious purple rice. Okay, the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to start adding the butter. I'm just going to move it from the bottom, coating all the bottom and the sides. And once everything is coated, then I'm going to add the mixture of the rice here. We're just going to move it around just for a little bit. You don't need to brown it. You don't need to, keep it like this for about 10-15 minutes. You're just going to mix it around, making sure that it's covered with that delicious butter. Remember, the butter that I'm using is unsalted butter, so that I have control on how much salt my family is consuming. And here you could even see the little pieces of butter still there. That's okay, because we just wanted the rice to cover, to get coated with the butter. Now I'm adding just water, and automatically the heat turns everything purple. Once it starts cooking, it's gonna be releasing all those delicious properties. I'm adding the salt at this moment. And remember to cook this purple rice for 20 minutes in medium low heat. In order for this rice not to stick, not to burn, just medium low heat, just so that it is simmering. Once it is simmering, then it's gonna cook perfectly, and it's gonna cook for about 20 minutes. I'll show you after 10 minutes how this looks. Very low heat. After the 10 minutes, look at this. It's barely bubbling, and that's exactly how you want to cook this rice. I'll see you back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes have passed, and look at this delicious and amazing rice, purple rice. Look at this. And of course, it's not sticking from the bottom. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to enjoy this delicious rice. I'm just gonna cover it for about 2 minutes, and then I am ready to serve and enjoy it. I have it here. I am ready to put it on my plate for the presentation, but I want to show you it's not sticky. It's just perfect. When you put the spoon in there, everything moves. There's nothing sticking, just perfection made at home. This rice, if you cook it the way I showed you, it's gonna come out perfect every time. It's not gonna be sticky. It's not gonna be overcooked. It just comes out amazing, and the taste of this rice is totally different than the regular white rice. And like I showed you, I didn't add too much of anything, but this is the way you cook this delicious purple rice. Now I am ready for the presentation. Look at this. You need to make it at home. You need to enjoy what I enjoy here with my family. You could see the little pieces of rice one by one. They're not sticking. They're just perfect. I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to enjoy. I hope you give it a try and you make it at home and enjoy it with your whole family. So I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am done with this delicious recipe. Purple rice made at home with lots of love. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. There is no need to go and buy this expensive rice when you can make it at home, when you could enjoy it with your whole family. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And of course, I have my small plate here. And I am ready to dig in. Let's see how this came out. It's still nice and warm, but let me taste it. I know that your mouth is watering. The flavor is amazing. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.